Yo, I got a call from the queen today. She asked me to get some Bok Choy. These are some of the advantages of growing your own food. See, it's hard for me to find good Bok Choy in the supermarket. So that's why we started growing Bok Choy. If you look under this row cover right here, look how beautiful they look. Beautiful. When I first started growing Bok Choy, right, I wanted to have cabbage. Cabbage takes a long time to grow. So I started growing Bok Choy because it grows really fast. From the time I plant it, transplant it, to the time I harvest, it's really fast. And I could rotate these things quickly. So as soon as I get these out the ground, I'll go ahead and plant the next thing behind them. I'm thinking I might plant some cucumbers right here after I get them out. So I like to plant them early so I can harvest them early and then get them out. Look up Bok Choy. Look up Bok Choy and see what it's good for. You're going to see that Bok Choy has a lot of great things going on. It's a nice little Bok Choy plant right here. I cut it from the base, but look it up, see what Bok Choy is good for. But this is what I'm talking about, like in terms of being able to grow your own food and grow your own medicine at the same time. I'm saying this is home grocery store business. So I want everybody to get out there and start a little garden. You could do it. Stay rooted, keep growing. Bless.